How to create TRC20 account using your Trust wallet to send and receive USDT. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now you can just go ahead and open up the Trust wallet application right here. And since I already have an account logged in into the application, I'll go ahead and proceed by clicking on the gear icon at the top left corner of my screen. Once inside, you want to navigate through wallets. Now inside wallets, click on the plus icon. Now if you have downloaded the app just yet, this is the screen that it will present you. From here, you can just go ahead and click on create new wallet right here. You have the ability to choose between the secret phase or the Swift beta. I'll just go ahead and select secret phase right here. And after creating your wallet, it will then go ahead and take you to the home page of Trust Wallet. Now from here, all you have to do is to go ahead and search up USDT. And inside, we'll be able to send or receive USDT using our Trust wallet. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.